Hello, Scrappy Peeps. Suzanna here today for Bella Blvd to share with you this collaged multi-photo layout using the new Celebrate collection. So this collection is super awesome because the elements have gold foil in them. Super cool. Also, check out how the doohickey stickers no longer contains alphabet. That is also pretty cool because you can use the letter scrambles and other stickers. Alpha stickers, and now you get more stickers, which is pretty cool. So I have a photo collage of two 4x6 photos and then a square two square 4x4 photos. So these photos were taken 2024 into 2025, and we were in Valencia, Spain. And so that random picture of grapes at the bottom left, there is a Spanish tradition where you eat 12 grapes, one at each chime of the clock at midnight. Needless to say, we did not get all 12 of our grapes eaten in that time frame, but we did get all 12 grapes eaten. So I am using the tags here and folding them instead of separating them for journaling. I'm going to cut the corners, keep them tagged, and you can see where you will see where I'm going to leave space for them to slide behind that photo collage there. I am going to put some white photocopy paper on the inside, and the reason I use photocopy paper is because it is much thinner, and that will be where I will journal because there's no room on the front of the page. And also the back side of these tags is black. I could have written in with a white gel pen, but it would have been harder to see that way. So that is the foundation of the page. I've got the stripes at the bottom, the gold hearts, and they're really yellow to be gold without being shiny gold. And then the tone-on-tone black polka scallop at the bottom, which is really subtle, but I wanted that to go with the subtleness of the cheers in the background there. So I like to have visual triangles, which would mean 3 clusters. And so I have 3. I don't really need them with this big collage in the center, but you can see how the 3 clusters come together. So I have I'm going to say the banner that mimics the lines that cascade through the photo collage, as well as the montage of I forget what those things are called, paper florets. They're not florets. Those things I can never remember, and I know this isn't the first video where I've stumbled over that. So that cluster is up there, followed by the disco ball with the firework explosion, and then down at the bottom you have another cluster and another one of the gold foiled banners. So all of those have come from the ephemera pieces, and then the words captured and cheer, which are gold foiled, come from the word phrases. So you can see how I am going to cut up some of those firework explosions and layer them on the page there. And so you can see the placement, and I'm not very good at keeping the placement of how I originally place things the same as when I actually adhere them down, but I do try. So I also like to have popped up elements for the dimension. So I'm going to pop up both of these phrases, which is going to take some time, and I'm just going to skip that because it literally, I use 3 different size tapes, foam adhesives, and then, so I'm peeling off the back of those so that they can fit onto that edge there. And then I'm going to continue to adhere all the pieces that you've already seen. So the only thing that ends up not happening is you can see that gold star in the top left corner there. I think it's just distracting to have that because it takes away from that visual interest. So I remove that. And I do like some of the elements being off the edge of the page because it provides a little bit more of a flow to the page. I'm bannering this just to go with the banner that's in the disco ball there. And so the title isn't really obvious, but I go with the title being Memorable New Year's, those smaller letters that are there. And I don't have to put the year because we are holding those giant balloons that say 2025. So to me, that is how that goes. So again, I'm going to pop up this word. It doesn't take me as long because the letters are a little bit thicker, but I love the way that the shadow of the word creates, or the popped up dimension creates the shadow that just makes it a little bit more visually interesting. I also am going to personalize the vignette of paper things with some sequins and some of the epoxy dots. At the end of the video, you will see that come together. So really there's not a lot of pattern paper. I mean, I used 1, 2, 3 of the pieces, but I just did a small amount, and I am not on black or white cardstock, which is unusual for me. But yeah, so that's how that is going to come together. I am not going to show you how I do the backing of the journaling card because that was off the cuff and I never journal on video. Oh, the other thing I am going to do with that is I am going to take some gold baker's twine and just tie a bow and glue that on just to add to the gold of that. Look at these gold stickers. Aren't they fantastic? You get a little bit more word phrases, a few more borders, which is also awesome. And what I love about Bella Blvd borders is that they are actually 12 inches wide, unlike Simple Stories is. So that is an absolute bonus there. I've got a couple of stickers that I'm putting on the photos. You're not going to see them in the picture, and you can't really see them as I'm putting them on, but you can definitely see the texture of them when you look at the layout. So just some self-adhesive sequins that I'm sticking down, and then I'll layer some of those I'll layer with the epoxies that you can see, as well as the puffy stickers, just a few of each of those. So this is a new collection from Stephanie from Bella Blvd, and it's called Let's Celebrate. So definitely one to add to your collection. It's not just good for New Year's memories, but you can use it for weddings, any celebration really, graduations. There's some ephemera for graduations, all kinds of good stuff. So the close-ups are to follow. Enjoy the close-ups. Thanks for stopping in today. I hope you're doing well. Come back again soon. Take care.